And now, a very special episode of Dimwits on Dashcam.
Stop tailgating. A little faster, I'll let you fucking idiot. What the hell is that? Cut off the tough guy now. Come on, go on, do it. Here you go. Yeah. Welcome to 495. Wait, lady. Yeah. Wait till I go by. Dumbass.
Turn left.
Welcome to Rhode Island. Thanks, lady. Thanks a lot. Yeah, so, like, I couldn't believe it. I just came out of the store, right? And I'm walking by the, the gumball machines and shit. They want 75 friggin' cents for a simple toy. What a friggin' ripoff, man. Shit, yeah. I'm telling you. When I was a kid, a quarter. Now I want 75 cents. Price is out of control. I'm telling you, man. I'm telling you. This douchebag in the scooter. Man, you're too old for that shit, you know? That Jamoke, he could have taken the right on red. There's no turn on red sign there, you know? Some people, I'm telling you, man, some people. Hey, won't you up, princess? Sorry. I'm already going fast on the speed limit, you know? 35, sweetheart. Learn how to read the fucking signs, alright? Hey, stop for the red light, you know? Friggin' mascal fools, I'm telling you. Come on, honey, get off the brake, will ya? Places to go, Grandma. Good. Fuck out of the way. Little hag. Hey, thanks. A little faster next time. Stop, you motherfucker. Probably another fucking asshole. Like fucking vermin. Hey, that says no trespassing. What the fuck are you going in there for? Jesus Christ, what is it with these fucking people here? I don't know what the hell's going on. Oh shit, I'm in Massachusetts again. okay. Back to normal. Excuse me. You mind? Jesus Christ. Use your fucking mirror, you moron. You just blocked the lane, lady. Fuck's it, you couldn't fucking wait. Get me out of this trash pile of the state. You're close enough, Grandpa. Cut off. Cut off. Hello. Yeah. What the fuck? Go! What are you doing? Dude. Oh, that's why. Okay, that's clunk. That's delightful. No wonder everybody's slowing down. Alright. That's a good reason to slow down. Master, take care of that, will ya? Thank you. Ha-ha. Pass fail. Nissan nitwit. That was a cutoff. What do you... The fuck are you doing? I don't think that's a legal U-turn, honey. Don't pull out. Yeah, don't pull out.
That's what she said.
See the car coming? That's me. I cut him off. Douche. Did he cut him off back there too? Again. Hi, hello.
Turn right.
Yep. 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 Stop tugging. Yep. Wait your turn, honey. Wait your turn. Oh, thank you, douchebag. Look right at me and go. Fuck you.